tried. We tried. Thank you.
No. Take the halibut off.
Yeah.
And if you serve the risotto with a lobster. Damn. How the hell can a firefighter burn a halibut? Mike, listen to me. If you continue cooking over the next 12 months and really perfect and cook for these guys here, I'll guarantee you a place this time next year. Don't stop cooking. Okay. Okay? Thank you. High five. Don't stop. Okay?
Yeah, I'm a little disappointed, but who knows? I may be back. We'll see.
Chef Ramsay, my dad is gonna be back next year.